So here I am with my BOYA Mini 2. I was looking for a long time for a good microphone to make better videos on my YouTube channel. It sounds sometimes hollow, or I'm in other surroundings where it's a lot of back noises and you couldn't hear me at all. So I will go and pack it and see how that works. So that is actually in a package. A tiny little menu, there's not much to it. And yeah, you can scan in for products and warranty. So that's the paperwork. That's a USB code or charging. You have to charge it. You plug it in the bottom here to charge it. I came with a little tiny bag and I really like it because I carry it around a lot. And so that is kind of protected but easy to handle. You know, when you have a box and stuff like that, it just goes all in a way. And it's easy to open. See if I can do that here with one hand. They are very small. I don't have the microphone in here right now, but I give you here a taste how a taste of it, how it sounds like with and without. Hello, someone home? No.
Hello, someone home?
So I was shooting some videos already with the microphone, and I can honestly say it's a very good choice. They are super small. Yeah, get it out with one hand. There we go. They are super small. Oh, you can see that they absolutely tiny. They have the little wind protector, and there it works very well. And I had it first time very close under my shin, and it was just too loud. It was overturning. So I took it on the side, and it was a clear sound, and you barely get any background noises. And yeah, it works super well in public. And I had it in a gathering where lots of people was talking. You barely could hear them. You had to give them a microphone. Or it was really quiet in the background like that should be, you know. So there is a little clip on here. It works super good. And then you have the little receiver. The receiver you just plug in on your phone on the bottom, where you actually put your charging cord on. And then it's a little button you can see, and you turn it on, and it's connected with Bluetooth. And when it is connected, then actually you see there's a blue light is there. And when it is connected, but it's not in a moment, then it turns green. So I have to charge them anyway, but it's very easy to use. You don't need an app for it. You do not need extra equipment for it, or extra magnet to tack it on your shirt or some things. And there's two of them in there, and yeah, very good protected in that little box. I love that little box. It's easy. It's small. It's even very small. Yeah, in one hand, it's very small, and that you can plug it in, and everything is charged. It's without any problems. I can say for the price, better than I thought. I really thought, well, I don't want to spend right away too much money for a microphone, then it doesn't work, or it doesn't fulfill my expectations. I start slow with some things, and I want to have something small what you cannot really recognize right away, you know. So, and yeah, I can say go for it. You can not make anything wrong with that. For two, a good price, good value, a good product, and there's an honest review. I don't get any paid for that or anything like that. It's just my honest opinion. It's a good microphone. Thank you for watching and check out my other videos and see you all soon. Bye bye.